Hello everyone. So basically I have made a bot today which is called Hype Master. It is a one-stop shop for all your motivations. It is a personal motivational coach. So it basically motivates you by the innate motivations of that task to make it very special, to make it very worth you to do it, worth to do. And then after that, it will generate some text for you that it will further hype your start of that task. It will make it so effortless as possible. So that when you type any task into the text box, it will generally hype you so up that you do it immediately. So let's test this bot together. It is called hypemaster at poe.com. Okay, so what task I'm working on today? I'll record it. I'm creating designs for print on demand shop. This matters to me because only by this I would be profitable in businesses. One challenge I am facing is that the task is consuming a lot of time. Starting it would seem like daunting. So let's send this out and see what it responds. Meaningful motivation, ridiculously positive and purposeful. Stop everything. You're not just creating designs, you're creating artistic legends that will live forever on t shirts, mugs, and tote bags across the world. You're literally shaping your entrepreneurial empire one pixel at a time. This isn't just a task, this is your gateway to unlocking the life of freedom, creativity, and profitability you've been dreaming of. Let's break this down because what you're doing is epic on so many levels. Aligning with your purpose, this isn't just about profit, it's about unleashing your creativity, sharing your unique vision with the world, and building a business that reflects your greatness. You're creating products that could make someone smile, laugh, or feel inspired every single day. That's not just a task, that's a mission. You're the boss. You are the CEO of this corporation, the captain of the print on demand ship. You're in total control, calling the shots and deciding how this dream unfolds. Daunting? Nah, this is your hero's journey. You've got to a pen to write your own success story. Level up your skills. Every design you create is like doing push ups for your creative muscles. You're getting stronger, faster, and more unstoppable. Each hour you invest now is building the mastery that will make future designs a breeze. You're not just making products, you're becoming a design ninja. Curiosity and adventure. Imagine experimenting with colors and patterns like a mad scientist in the lab. Every design is a new discovery, a unique adventure, and who knows, the next one might be your bestseller. That's kind of excitement you're diving into, building habits of greatness. By showing up for this work, you're creating habits that will fill your entrepreneurial successful life. Routine, discipline, and creativity. That trio is the secret sauce to greatness, and you're cooking up something legendary. Small wins, big celebrations. Each design you finish isn't just a step forward, it's a victory. Celebrate every single one like you just won a World Cup of creativity. The journey is built on tiny triumphs, and you're already crushing it. Break it down like a boss. Starting feels daunting? No worries. Think of each design as a single brushstroke on a masterpiece. One by one, you're creating something spectacular. Don't climb the mountain in one heap. Just take one step at a time, and soon you'll be at the summit. Game on. Let's turn this into a game. Set a timer and challenge yourself. How many designs can you create in an hour? Earn points for every challenge conquered. Reward yourself with a dance break when you smash your goals. Positive self-talk activate. Look in the mirror and say, I'm the design machine. I create brilliance effortlessly. I'm building a business that will thrive because of my creativity. Say it loud. Say it proud. Empower yourself. Your customers are waiting somewhere out there. Someone is waiting to buy a product with your design on it. You're creating for the people whose lives you'll touch. That's powerful. Reduce the friction. Start small. Just open your design software. Just pick one idea. Boom, you're already in motion. Getting started is the hardest part, but once you're rolling, there's no stopping you. Enjoy the process. Forget the outcome for a moment. Just enjoy the creative flow. Put on your favorite music, grab a snack, and make designing feel like a party. Visualize your success. Picture your shop blowing up with sales. Imagine the cha-ching of orders rolling in, your designs traveling across the globe, and you standing there as the ultimate entrepreneur, grinning ear to ear. So we have sold you on the task, and now it's time to sell you on the start of the task. Hype Master Finale. Ridiculously funny and over the top hype. Are you kidding me? You're about to create designs that will dominate the print on demand universe. This task isn't daunting. It's your ticket to the big leagues, baby. Making designs easy. That's like saying a wizard just casts spells. You're the wizard and these designs are your magic. Grab your mouse, fire up the design software and boom, you're waving your creative wand like a boss. Picture this, you're sitting at your desk crafting masterpieces while the world watches in awe. Your designs are so good that Leonardo da Vinci himself would rise from the grave, slow clap and say, I could never. Why stop now? You're on the verge of greatness. This is the part of the movie where the hero, that's you, rises up, crushes their doubts, and conquers the challenge like a gladiator in the Colosseum of creativity. The time to start right now. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, now. Because you're ready, you're ready. Ready to rock, ready to roll, ready to unleash design domination. Let's go. This is your moment. You're not just creating designs, you're creating a legacy. So grab that coffee, fill up, and dive in because nothing is stopping you now. Jump into that creative flow, ride the wave of inspiration, and come out the other side as the absolute master of your print on demand empire. Blast off in 3, 2, 1, create. You've got this. Let's go, legend. I don't think I will ever need another motivational video or another motivational coach when we have this. So this is something I made for all of us, including myself. I particularly need this to get the hype for uh, the task that I was facing and also to start effortlessly. So this is the end of this video. Hope that you can also try this out. It's called hype-master on POE.com. You can search in the explore section for this. And thanks for listening. See you in the next session in the future. Goodbye.